In this video, we're going to see how we can use color scales to turn a boring set of data into something that visually pops and immediately tells a story with just a few clicks. Let's get into it. All right, let's take a look at the average daily temperatures in Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada for the year 2020. Although we have a lot of good data here, it's somewhat tricky to interpret at a quick glance. And visually speaking, it's really just a bunch of numbers that most people will skim over and not really take any real value away from. One quick and easy way to liven up a set of data like this is to implement something called color scales. We can find the color scales option under conditional formatting on the Home tab. You'll immediately see a number of options when we hover over the color scales selection. These are all pre-programmed coloring rules to help us better visualize our data. To apply color scaling to a set of data, first, make sure you have the entire data range selected. Next, select color scaling and select the formatting option you'd like. You can see that when I hover my mouse over the different options, our data changes dynamically. In the first option, we see the low numbers are in some shade of red, with the lowest number being the darkest red, whereas the high numbers are in some shade of green, with the most positive number being the darkest green. Moving to the second option, we see the opposite. Now the lower numbers are green and the higher numbers are red. You can select any pre-programmed option you prefer, or as with all conditional formatting, you can create your own rule if you wanted to use specific colors. Color scaling is a super quick and easy way to make your data visually pop, and what makes it even better is that you can do all of this with just a few clicks of your mouse. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and let me know down in the comments. Have a great day.